Hi guys, in this video we will close our premium Spotify account. For that you need to go to settings and privacy, then click on premium plan. You will see your premium plan here. Then after that you will see this button, click here, then retry and it will load again. And here you will see some of the instructions. You can read them if you want, then click on read more and then you can read more. And after that you will be seeing this option where you can click on close my account. Then it will show you further instructions where you will be able to talk to an agent. After that you need to give him instruction to close my account, and then he will reply. Then they will gather your information about it. Then they will show you your personal data like your email and on which you have account, and give you some more options. And here as you can see on the screen, so now they have given me some options to cancel premium, update email address, or close my account. I want to close my account and delete my data, so I have chosen the close my account and delete my data. Now they have sent me an email on my email address, and I have said them that I can access my email. Now they can send the email. Now they have given me some more instructions, and they ask if I want to continue, and then I say yes. And now he is typing again, and let's see what they ask. So they have sent me an email, and when you receive that email, I want you to go to your email and click on the link. Then you will see some link, and when you click on it, your account will be closed and your data will be deleted. And after that you will need to click on were you able to close your account. You need to click on yes. As you can see, I have chosen yes, and they are asking if there is anything else they can help me with or not. And if you have anything, then you can just rate them and move on. And here as you can see, I have rated them, and they are asking if they resolve your issue, and I will say yes. Okay, yes, they have resolved my issue. And that's all. Any comments? So if you want to add any comments you can, and if you don't, then just say thanks and move on. And that's all guys. This was the tutorial on how to close your Spotify premium account and delete your data. And if you want more such tutorials, then you can ask me in the comment, and I will try to make more video on them. And that's all. I will see you next